Let's go, friends. I had listed some of the examples and we'll decide the basic order of this amines. The first one is aniline, benzylamine, and N-methyl aniline. Now we have to reorganize all the basic fundamentals which we already studied in the last lectures. See, in this first case, first MCQ, we can see that this is aromatic amine because nitrogen is directly attached with benzene ring. And in the third structure also, this is aromatic amine. This is secondary aromatic amine. This one is primary aromatic amine. And this is not aromatic amine. This one is benzyl amine. Now, when we say the term aromatic amine, means delocalization of electron. So, electrons are delocalized in this case as well as in this case. But electrons are not delocalized in the case of second structure because the electrons, nitrogen which contains electron, it is involved in a single bond, and in the next incoming bond, this bond is also a single bond. So there is no conjugation present for this electron to participate in a resonance. So there is no resonance present in the case of benzylamine. So we can say that these electrons are localized. And as we know that if electrons are localized, then the basic strength increases. So let me write over here, electrons are delocalized. Come on, electrons are delocalized. Electrons are localized in this case, and in this case electrons are delocalized, but there is one more effect of this CH3 group. Again, let me write, electrons are delocalized but plus I of CH3, and due to increase in positive inductive effect due to electron donating power of the CH3 group, availability of electron on nitrogen increases, so as the basic strength. So first, this benzylamine is highest basic among all these three, so I'll write the order. Second structure is more basic, then third structure, and then first structure. Now moving to second example, we can see that this is aromatic amine. Again, this is aromatic amine. This is pyridine. This is the structure of pyridine. And this is the structure of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentahydropyridine. So friends, from all these three structure, these electrons are delocalized, this electron are localized, but electron are present on more electronegative atom. Now what do I mean by more electronegative? Because nitrogen contains a lone pair of electron as well as it contains pi bond. So electron or on more electronegative nitrogen. In this case, there is a vast difference in the second and third structure. This electron are present on less electronegative nitrogen because this nitrogen is involved in single bond. I hope you understand. And this electron are present on a doubly bonded carbon. So electron are present on a more electronegative atom. Electron are present on a less electronegative atom. So if we'll compare both this structure, we can say that basic strength of third structure is higher than that of second structure. Okay friends, and last, aromatic amine. So the basic strength of all these three structure is in an order of 3, then 2, then 1. Let me make a point that these electrons are delocalized due to resonance, delocalized in resonance. These are not delocalized in resonance. Why? Because lone pair of electron containing nitrogen is itself involved in a double bond. So let me write more electron present. Come on, electron present on more electronegative atom. Come on, friends. And electron present on less electron present, or present in place of present we can electron are localized on less electronegative nitrogen. So there is a vast difference. So the order of basic strength of all these three amine, 3, 2 and 1. Now moving to next example. Now friends, in this case we can see that the electrons are delocalized, and in this case also, this is simplest aromatic amine aniline, electrons are also delocalized in this case, but there is more delocalization of electron. Come on, more delocalization of electrons, and here less delocalization of electrons. And if we know that delocalization of electron increases, then basic strength decreases. So aniline, this second structure is more basic than that of first structure. I hope you all understand. Now in the next case, see all these four structures. This electron on nitrogen atom, nitrogen is more electronegative. Why? Because it is connected with doubly bonded carbon. Nitrogen is less electronegative. Why? Because it is involved in singly bonded carbon. But there is a presence of O, ether, and we know that ether has minus I effect. Let me write more minus I effect in comparison of minus I effect of NH. Less minus I effect. Fine. Now, in this case, electron are present on nitrogen, and nitrogen is involved in a single bond. So electron are present on less electronegative atom, electron are present on more electronegative atom. Okay, so the basic strength in this case is higher than that of this case. Now, if we compare all these four structures, we can see that this structure and this all three structures, these three structures are somehow same than that of first structure, because in all these three structures electrons are present on less electronegative nitrogen atom, because this nitrogen, which contains a lone pair of electron, is involved in a single bond, whereas in this case electron on nitrogen, and nitrogen is more electronegative because of presence of double bond. So we can say that the basic strength of first structure is very less than that of all three structures. Now comparing these three structures, there is a minus I effect, and as we know that friends, minus I effect decreases basic strength. So basic strength of third structure is highest and basic strength of first structure is very low. Now we'll decide basic strength of fourth and second structure. Now more minus I effect means less basic, and less minus I means more basic. So first we'll write 4 and then we'll write 2. 3, 4, 2, 1. I hope you all understand. And now coming to the question which is asked in AIMS 2017. Choose correct descending order of PKB values. PKB values. We need to choose the correct descending order of PKB values. We know that basic strength is inversely proportional to PKB. Come on, let me make a point. Basicity, come on, basicity is inversely proportional to PKB. Basic strength is inversely proportional to PKB. So if basic strength increases, PKB decreases. So first You all need to do that to find the basic strength of all this 4 amine and reverse the order if you want to find the order of pKb. So let's start. This is aromatic amine. This third and fourth structure are also aromatic amine because nitrogen is directly connected with this arene ring. So this first, third and fourth structure are aromatic, while this is not aromatic structure. So again, remind one thing, if there is aromatic amine present, then there is more delocalization of electron, and if delocalization increases, basicity decreases. So the second structure is highest basic, so its pKb will be very less. I hope you all understand. Now comparing first, third and fourth structure, we know that friends, oxygen contains a lone pair, so it has plus M effect, as well as chlorine. Chlorine also contains lone pair, but we know that minus I effect of Cl is very greater than that of plus M of Cl. So considering these facts, if plus M increases, then basic strength increases. Come on, plus M increases, basic strength increases. Then that of minus I. Minus I increases, basic strength decreases. So if we'll arrange this all amines in the basic strength order, come on, we can say that friends, second structure is highest basic, then that of third structure. Then if we want to decide the basic strength order of first and fourth structure, we can see that this both structures are same, but in this case minus I group present. So if minus I increases, basic strength decreases. So basic strength of first structure is highest than that of fourth. So the basic strength order, let me again repeat, the basic strength order is second, third, first and fourth. Reverse will be the pKb order. Again, basic strength is highest of second structure, so pKb will be lowest. So we can say that first and fourth option is possible. Then after, third structure is more basic, so pKb value will be then after second, the pKb value we need to see of third structure, second then third. It is not possible. So the answer is 4. Second, third, first and fourth. I hope you all understand this all MCQs. Friends, thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.